Ferry. This ship operates under the highest safety standards. In case of emergency, information will be broadcast over the loudspeakers. Please listen carefully and follow the crew's instructions. Barrier-free facilities are available on the lower deck, including wheelchair access, a barrier-free lounge, barrier-free toilet, handrail, and tactile paving for the visually impaired. Life jackets are stored on each deck, along with instructions on how to wear them. Please check storage locations large vermilion great Torii standing in the sea against a backdrop of deeply forested mountain slopes forms a magnificent landscape. At high tide, against a backdrop of green mountains, the shrine appears to be floating in the sea. This is the most impressive and unforgettable memory for all those who visit Miyajima.
まもなく桟橋に到着いたします。着船の時に船が桟橋に強く当たることがございますので、席にお座りいただくか、手すりをお持ちくださいますようお願いいたします。安全の